What's going on, guys? Got another video today. So last time I talked about lowering your interest rates, right? If you've got a loan with a bank or a credit union and your credit score has improved, you should be able to lower the interest rate, okay? But at the very end, I kind of said, what if your bank doesn't help you out? What should you do? The thing that I would consider doing is looking for a new bank or credit union, okay? You want someone that helps you out. So today I'm going to talk about kind of a situation that could happen, and that is refinancing your car loan. Okay, a lot of people think that refinancing your car is difficult, or they just have a lot of misconceptions. Sometimes they say, I just got my car, and the dealership said I had to wait a couple months before I can refinance it, but then I can. You can do it whenever you want. Okay, so don't feel like you can't refinance it if you got your car a month ago. Okay, another thing they think is, how much is this going to cost me? For where I work, the credit union that I work for, it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, refinancing is pretty easy to do, and the credit union or the bank that you choose to move the loan to, they do most of the work. So it's really, really simple. And guys, take advantage of the interest rates that are out there. Don't be stuck at 5, 6, 7% or higher for your car loan. Work on your credit, build up your score, and then move it somewhere. Get a lower interest rate. All you need to do is go online, look at the rates that other institutions are offering around you, and call them up and just say, look, I've got this loan. It's currently at this rate. I owe this much on it, and I have this long of a term to finance it for. What is the best that you guys can do? And maybe you want to shorten the term length, right, to pay it off faster and save money and interest. Maybe all you care about is lowering the interest rate. Maybe you want to lower the interest rate, but also see if you can't stretch out the term a little bit, and that'll bring your monthly payment down. So if you're kind of struggling month to month, that will help you kind of lower the amount of bills that you have each month. Now, if you go that route, the longer you stretch out a term, the more interest you pay. So kind of be careful with that. But that's really all that they need. They should need your vehicle information, your employment information, and not much else. And if that means that you have to go to a different bank or credit union to get those low rates, well then who cares? Go there, If you've been at your bank or credit union for like 10 years and some new company is going to give you an even lower rate, take advantage of it. You've offered them a decade worth of service, and if they can't match what some other company's going to do, you should move it. If it's going to save you money, whether that's your monthly payment or the total interest in the long run, take advantage of it, guys. This is what I personally like to do the most because it's so easy to do, and I save so many members so much money off of this. I just want you guys to be comfortable with doing it and take advantage of this, and let me know kind of, hey, this is my story. I was with financial institution A, and I moved it over to financial institution B. Okay, show us what interest rates you went from, show us how much money you've saved, and kind of spread the knowledge, because I hate it when people stay with some place for too long and maybe they spent 5 years paying 8% when they could have been somewhere else paying a lot less. What I'm actually going to do is kind of talk about what I've done recently for a couple members. Obviously, I can't share names, can't share credit scores or anything like that, but I'll just talk about the dollar amounts that we moved over, the interest rate they were at previously, and what they're at right now. And I'm going to kind of make this a reoccurring thing, just talking about the wins that I had at work, and kind of how much money we can save people by just lowering our rates. So all of these are loans that we've done in like just the last 2 weeks, okay? It's not all of them, it's just some of the ones that, I chose to write down, and it gives you an idea of what rates you can go through, and all of this was done over a phone call. I mean, it's so easy to do. So person one, they owed $9,369, and they went from 7% to 1.5%. Person number two owed $12,000, and they went from 15% to 1.5%. Person three, $19,000, and they went from 4.5 to 2.2. And you may think, hey, that's not much, 2.3% different. For $19,500, that's going to be a big amount of savings for them. God, this one is huge. $20,000, right? They went from 25% to 3.65. I mean, I don't know exactly what the term length on it was or what the monthly payment is, but that's going to be multiple thousands of dollars saved on that one. And these are just a few examples, guys. So like I said, what I'm going to do is, every week kind of compile a list of members that I've helped out and just show, hey, this can be done. These are the success stories that people are having over here. And like I said, all it took was a phone call. So look around. If you've got a car loan right now, I want you to look at what rate it's at, and I want you to go online and look at what other companies around you are offering. And if you can do better, move it over. Just do it. It's so easy. Even if it takes you a week to do everything, who cares if it saves you a couple $1,000s? And I made another video talking about kind of what my goal for this channel was, and this year it's to save people $100,000, right? And that's probably going to come mostly in the form of interest. So if you guys can do the math and you refinance your loans and you find out that, I went from, this percent to this percent and I financed it for 36 months, how much money did I save? Let us know. I want everyone to be aware of how easy this is and how much money it can save them. Right? This is not complicated stuff. It frustrates me when banks don't tell people, hey, you could be doing this and, save yourself this much money in the long run. So talk to your institution, talk to other institutions, find out what the best deal that they can offer is, and take advantage of it. And if any of you guys are able to lower your rate, comment below, share the stories, because we want everyone to see this is possible. It wasn't hard to do, and you saved a lot of money doing it. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and please share your success. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from it and you were able to strengthen your financial position. I'm going to keep coming out with more videos, so please stay tuned. But go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day.